Step on the other side, you dingus.
Okay.
You got some gold?
So, we got a fortune teller fish.
We're gonna do the TikTok TT and
Over here. Two. Turn sides. Turn over. Pushing this. Close up entirely. Now you gotta open it. You gotta flatten it out. And then now we gotta put it in our hand. Wait, give me 1 second.
You gotta come over here, you can't read. Come on. And where did the controller go?
Alright, let's see. It's curling head and tail. No. The head's
that means
not
I'm
moving.
in love.
Yes, no, the head's not moving.
Moving head and tail, you're in love.
No,
I'm in
the head's
love.
not moving.
Yes, it is.
Vinny got no kids, got no riz, got
Shut up.
got no kisses, got no rizzes.
What
Got
is
no.
it? Oh, it's a sticky hand.
It's slime.
Oh no, it's slime?
Open it up.
Oh,
Liam, put it down.
It's glitter.
Heads
Can
or
you
tails,
put it
heads or
down?
tails?
Dude, it's glitter gob. Oh, God.
Can you put it down a little?
Ew.
It's disgusting. Oh, we got glitter. We got glitter slime. Ew, this is disgusting. What is this?
Me of something. Vinny, this one, look at this.
Oh, this is disgusting. So we got a necklace.
Skibidi? Dum, yes.
Keep it going. I'm putting it on myself. Okay, stop it. Okay, this one out of 10, I'm gonna rate this 5 because it actually, I think it showed my fortune. The slime,
0.
1.
0.
This-
0.
0 actually. This is the worst stuff ever. You can't. It's just ripped. And the necklace, I give it a 9.5. It's pretty nice, but this plastic. But this is the best one you can get, so it's nice.
Vinny, hands up.